It was narrated from Abu Huraira that the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "There are no two Muslims, three of whose children die before reaching puberty, but Allah will admit them to paradise by virtue of His mercy toward them. It will be said to them, 'Enter paradise.' They will say, 'Not until our parents enter.' So it will be said, 'Enter paradise, you and your parents.'"